Hi students, it's Ms. B. This week we're going to be playing games. First, you'll need to open a browser window, and either in the search bar here or the search bar up here, you're going to type in Chrome Music Lab as 3 separate words. Once you get the results, you'll just click this. You're going to see a page that looks like this where it has pictures of all the games, but you also might see a page that has a play button. You'll need to click that play button if that's what you came up with. Our game this week is Rhythm, and it will have this pink monkey with the drum. When you click on the monkey, you'll see 2 of them. If you click on the yellow drum, it matches this yellow dot. The orange drum, the orange dot, and the gray triangle is gray, and it's even shaped like a triangle. Let's think about music and math together. We talked a little bit about that, and this is what I was talking about, is patterns. So if we wanted A, B, C pattern, we already have our A. For B, I'm going to choose the triangle by itself. And for C, I think I'm going to choose triangle and the yellow drum. So if we have A again, it'll be all 3 instruments. Oh no, we only want the triangle, but we have this orange drum. If you click it, it's okay, it goes away. A, B, C, A, B. Now we need C. Let's match that. Let's hear what they sound like. That's pretty good. We'll see what other monster musicians we have. Here we have these dark blue monsters. There is a hi-hat, a snare drum, and a floor tom. We're going to have an A-B-A-B pattern because look, if we went A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, oh no, there's not enough for C. So for these guys, we're probably just going to have to do an A-B pattern, and that's okay. We're going to just go with a really, really simple pattern, and then we'll see how they sound. Are we ready? That's a pretty good rhythm. We also have these light blue monsters with wood blocks and this set of claves. Claves are the same thing as rhythm sticks. And our last group are these orange monsters with these tall drums and a cowbell. Play around with this for a little bit and see which monsters and which patterns you like best. Then you will go on PowerSchool and you will vote in a poll. Did you like the pink monkeys with the ABC pattern, or did you have pink monkeys with an AB pattern? You'll have the option of choosing any one of these monster musicians and talking all about how wonderful the composition you made sounds. If you have any questions, you can always message me or email me. Or if you want to tell me a little bit more about the really cool song that you made with our monster musicians, go ahead and message me and email me then as well. Be sure to upload before the weekend and let me know again which monsters you chose and which pattern AB or ABC that you chose. Have fun. Bye.